Green Valley International School. Let us join hands to empower the future of nation.
हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू ग्रीन वैली इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ऑनलाइन टीचिंग। और आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है हिस्ट्री ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स। मतलब कंप्यूटर्स है वो कैसे बना, उससे पहले कौन कौन से डिवाइस थे वो कैलकुलेशन के लिए यूज़ होते थे। तो आज हमें कंप्यूटर की पूरी हिस्ट्री देखनी है। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Computer that we use today is the product of numbers of improvements that have occurred over a period of time. Let us learn about the history of computer from the beginning. अभी हम जो कंप्यूटर यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो बहुत सालों से उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट आ रहा है। आज जो कंप्यूटर बना है वो सबसे पहले कैसा था वो हम देखते हैं। ओके, अर्ली कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइसेस, मतलब पहले कौन से डिवाइसेस यूज होते थे? स्टोन्स, स्टिक्स, फिंगर्स, पेबल्स एंड कवरेज वर यूज्ड बाय अर्ली मैन टू काउंट। इवन टुडे अ चाइल्ड लर्न टू कैलकुलेट यूजिंग हिज एंड हर फिंगर्स। मैकेनिकल काउंटिंग डिवाइसेस, मैकेनिकल काउंटिंग डिवाइसेस वर मेड आफ्टर अर्ली काउंटिंग डिवाइसेस। मतलब पहले जो डिवाइसेस यूज होती थी उसके बाद मैकेनिकल काउंटिंग डिवाइसेस आई। अब उसमें कौन कौन सी डिवाइसेस यूज होती थी? उसमें फर्स्ट है एबेकस। अब ये सबने एबेकस देखा है। एबेकस वाज द फर्स्ट कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस इन्वेंटेड इन 300 BCE in China to count large number. It consisted of wooden frame holding several wooden or metallic rods. A number was entered by changing the position of the beads with beads stuck on them. Abacus was used to perform simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It is still used by teacher to teach the student the concept of place value and simple arithmetic operations. Okay, so abacus was the first counting device और अभी भी हम abacus का यूज़ कर रहे हैं। अब abacus के बाद जो डिवाइस आई वो थी नेपियर बोन्स, जो इन 1616 में जॉन नेपियर ने इन्वेंट की थी। दिस कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस इज सेट ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर रोड्स marked with numbers. It was designed to perform simple calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It was improved later to find the square root of numbers. उसके बाद इलेक्ट्रोमैकेनिकल काउंटिंग डिवाइसेस, उसमें फर्स्ट है पास्कलाइन। Pascaline was the first mechanical calculator invented in 1642 by Blaise Pascal. It was a box with 8 movable wheels called dials. The numbers for calculation were entered with dials. It was used to add, subtract, divide and multiply numbers as big as thousands. उसके बाद है लेबनीज कैलकुलेटर। जर्मन मैथमेटिशियन गॉटफ्रीड विल्हेम्स वॉन लेबनीज built a calculator called Leibniz calculator in 1671. Apart from performing simple arithmetic operations, it could add, subtract, multiply and divide numbers. It was also find square roots. It consisted of steps drum called Leibniz wheel. Then Jacquard loom. Joseph Mary Jacquard invented a powered loom called Jacquard loom in 1801. It is used punch wooden card automatically view detailed pattern including pictures and text. This can be considered as the first read-only memory device. Difference engine. Charles Babbage, a mathematics professor, designed an automatic calculating machine in 1822. He called it difference engine. It was used to perform complex mathematical operations. Analytical engine. In 1823, Charles Babbage thought of mechanical construction which was known as mechanical digital computer. It could also prepare mathematical tables. Babbage called this analytical engine. This provided a base for the development of modern computers. Charles Babbage is the rightly called the father of computers. Boolean logic. George Boole designed the Boolean logic which became the fundamental principle for designing computer circuits. Electronic counting devices. In 1889, an American named Herman Hollerith invented a counting machine to count the population of USA. It was an electronic counting device based on punch card. Herman Hollerith was the founder of the company that became famous as IBM. Now modern calculating devices are computers. Major developments in the calculating devices took place in the 20th and early 21st centuries. First digital electronic computers, ABC. John V. Etensoff and Clifford E. Berry developed the first computer prototypes. It consists of vacuum tubes instead of mechanical switches. It was called Etensoff-Berry computer, ABC. It used the binary number system like a modern computer. Z3 was the electromechanical computer designed by Conrad Zuse. It was the world's first programmable and fully automatic computing machine. Harvard Mark I. Harvard Mark I computer was built in partnership between Harvard and IBM in 1944. This was the first programmable digital computer developed in the United States, but it was not purely electronic computer. The machine weighed 5 tons and had 500 miles of wires. It was 8 feet in height and 51 feet in length. ENIAC and UNIVAC. Electronic Numerical Integrated and Calculator was the first fully functional electronic digital computer to be built in the United States. It was somewhat similar to the earlier computers but was considered larger and more flexible. Universal Automatic Computer was the first commercial computer manufactured in the USA